Hi, very good afternoon, dear students. Today we are discussing about exercise 1.6, question number 2. Left of the question today we are discussing. See the Roman number 4. They are asking here also verify A into adjointment of A is equal to adjointment of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. We have to verify all the conditions are equal or not. So, what is the given matrix is 1, 5, 7, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 0. What is the given matrix to consider? Capital A is equal to. After that, we need to calculate adjointment of A. See the solution. Let us consider capital A is equal to the given matrix is 1, 5, 7, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 0. So next we need to calculate adjointment of A. So we need to calculate adjointment of A. What is the definition of the adjointment of A? Means adjointment is nothing but transpose of the matrix capital Aij, where Aij is nothing but cofactor of an element small a Aij. So now we need to calculate transpose of the cofactor element of the small aij. First we are taking 1. We are taking 1 present in the first row. First columns are eliminated. So write as left of the elements. So I am taking. So 1 you are taking 1 present in the first row. First columns are eliminated. Write as left of the elements 3, 0, 1, 0. Next 5 are taking. 5 present in the first row, second columns are eliminated. Right as left of the elements are 2, 0, minus 2, 0. 1 you are taking that particular column left of the element 3, 0, 1, 0. 5 are taking 5 present in the first row, second columns are eliminated. Left of the elements are 2, 0, minus 2, 0. Next you are taking 7 present in the first row, third columns are eliminated. Right as element of the determinants are 2, 3. Minus 2, 1. Next. Now we are going to second row. Second row, 2 present in the second row, first columns are eliminated. Right as left of the elements is 5, 7, 3, not 3, 5, 7, 1, 0. 5, 7, 1, 0. Next. 3 you are taking 3 present in the second row, second columns are eliminated. Right as 1, 7, minus 2, 0. 1, 7, minus 2, 0. Next, 0 we are taking 0 present in the second row, third columns are eliminated. Right as element of the determinant is 1, 5, minus 2, 1. Next, we are going to third row. Third row, what element is the first element is minus 2. Minus 2 present in third row, first columns are eliminated. Right as left of the elements are 5, 7, 3, 0. The next is 1 present in the third row, second columns are eliminated. Right as left of the elements are 1, 7. So 1 present in the third row, second columns are eliminated. 1, 7, 2, 0. 1, 7, 2, 0. Next 0 present in the third row, third columns are eliminated. Right as left of the elements are 1, 5, 2, 3. So transpose of the matrix capital A. A is nothing but minus from root to the power of I plus m. M is nothing but minor of the element. Minor of the element is nothing but deleting ith row and jth columns, left of the elements, then it is called a minor. That's why first we are taking minor elements. After that putting the symbols. Plus, already symbol difference, plus, minus, plus after negative, plus, minus after plus, minus, plus after minus, plus. Now we need to calculate, now we need to simplify this one. Cross multiplication, 3 into 0, 0, minus, plus into 0 minus 0. Next, minus of 0 minus 0. Next, plus of 2 into 1 is 2, minus 2 into 3 is a minus 6, minus of minus, plus 6. Next, minus of 5 0 0, 1 into 7 is 7. Next is 1 into 0 0, minus of minus 2 into 7 is minus 14, minus of minus plus 14, minus of 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into 5 is minus 2, minus of minus plus 10, 5 into 0 0, 7 3 is 21, 1 into 0 0, minus 2 into 7 is 14. Next here 1 into 3 is 3, minus 5 into 2 10. So close the bracket, transpose. Simplify this one. Adjoint of A is equal to 0 0, 6 plus 2, that value is 8. 0 minus 7 is minus 7. Minus 7 to minus 7, that is plus 7. 0 plus 14, that value is 14. Here 0 plus 14 value is 14. Next here 1 plus 10 11. Plus 11 into minus 7. Minus 1 is minus 11. 0 minus 21 is minus 21. Minus 4, 0 minus 14, that value is minus 14. Minus 14 into minus is plus 14. So 3 minus 1, that value is minus 7. That is transpose. Transpose of the matrix capital A. This is the condition. Next we need to calculate transpose of the matrix, nothing but interchanging rows and columns. That's why interchanging the rows and columns. First row replace with first column. Second row replace with second column, and third row replace with the third column. This is the adjointment of A. First we need to calculate adjointment of A. Okay, after that we need to calculate A into adjointment of A. Adjointment of A matrix is 0 7, minus 21 0, 14 14, 8, minus 11 and minus 7. Next we need to calculate A into adjointment of A. A into adjointment of A. Substitute the matrix are A matrix is 1, 5, 7, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 0. Substitute adjointment of A matrix is 0, 7, minus 21, 0, 14, 14, 8, minus 11, minus 7. Observe here, A is the arm of the matrix is 3 by 3. So adjointment of A also 3 by 3 matrix. So number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So finally we get the arm of the matrix saying the adjointment of A is arm of the matrix is 3 by 3. Now you can simplify this one. Now product with the first row, first column. 1 into 0, 0. After that take plus 5 into 0, 0 plus 7 into 8 is 56. Next, product with the first row, second column. So 1 into 7, 7 plus what is the value of 5 into 15? 60. 1 into 7 is 7 plus 5 into 14. 60 or 70 here? 5 into 14 value is 70 plus 7 into minus 7 is minus 77. Minus 77. Next, product with the first row, third column. So 1 into minus 21, minus 21 plus 5 into 14, that value is 70 plus 7 into minus 7, that value is minus 49. Next, product with the second row, first column, 2 into 0, 0 plus 3 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 0, 0. Next product with second row, second column, 2 into 7, 14 plus 3 into 14, that is 42 plus 0 into anything where is 0. Next product with second row, third column, 2 into minus 21, that value is minus 42 plus 3 into 14, that is 42 plus 0 into anything value is 0. Next, product with third row, first column, minus 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 8 value is 0. Next product with third row, second column, minus 2 into 7, that value is minus 14, 1 into 14, that is plus 14 plus 0 into anything value is 0. Whenever apply the cross multiplication, in middle we can take as negative symbol. Whenever product with the two matrix, we can take middle positive symbol. That's why we are taking positive. Next, product with third row, third column. Minus 2 into minus 21, that is plus 42, plus the 1 into 14, that value is 14. 0 into anything value is 0. Simplify this one. 56 plus 70 plus 7, that is the plus 77. Plus 77 minus 77, the value is 0. Next, minus 21 minus 49, that value is minus 70. Minus 70 plus 70, that value is 0. 0. 42 plus 14, that value is 56. Minus 42 plus 42 get cancelled, that value is 0. 0 plus 14 minus 14 get cancelled, 0. 42 plus 14, that value is 56. This is A into adjoint of K. Plus 7 plus 70 plus 77 minus 7 get cancelled. Minus 21 minus 14, that is minus 70 minus 70 plus 70 get cancelled. So A into adjoint of A is 56, 0, 0, 0, 56, 0, 0, 0, 56. Next we need to calculate adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A is 0, 7, minus 2, 0, 14, 14, 8, minus 11, minus 7. The A matrix is 1, 5, 7, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 0. Now both matrices are orthogonal matrices 3 by 3. So adjoint of A into A also 3 by 3. Now product with first row, first column. So now 0 into 1 is 0 plus 7 into 2, that value is 14, plus minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2, that value is plus 4. 0 into, here adjoint of A matrix 0, 7, minus 21, that is minus 21, I am writing mistake. Minus 21 into minus 2, that value is plus 42. Next, product with first row, second column. 0 into 5 value is 0, plus 7 into 3, that value is 21, plus minus 21 into 1 is minus 21. Minus or plus, that value is minus 21. Next, product with first row, third column. 0 into 7 value is 0, plus 7 into 0, that value is 0, plus minus 21 into 0, that value is 0. So first one is product with all three columns. Next, product with the second row, first column. 0 into 1, that value is 0, plus 14 into 3, that value is 42, plus 14 into minus 2, that value is minus 28. Observe here, 0 into 1, that value is 0, 14 into 2, that value is 48, not 42, 28. Next, plus 14 into minus 2, that is minus 28. Next, product with second row, second column. 0 into 5, that value is 0, plus 14 into 3, that value is 42, plus 14 into 1 is 14. Next, product with second row, third column. 0 into 7, that value is 0, plus 14 into 0, 0, plus 14 into 0, 0. Next, product with third row, first column. 8 into 1, that value is 8, plus minus 11 into 2, that is plus of minus 22. 8 into 1 is 8, plus minus 11 into 2, that is minus 22. Minus of plus, that value is minus 22, plus minus 7 into minus 2, that value is plus 14. Next, product with third row, second column. 8 into 5, that value is 45 or 40. What is 8 into 5? 8 into 5, that value is 40, not 45. Minus 11 into 3, that value is minus 33. minus or plus, that value is minus 7. Next product with third row, third column, 8 into 7, that value is 56 plus minus 7 into 0, 0 plus 7 into minus 7 into 0, that value is 0. Simplify this one. This one also we get 56 plus 21 minus 21 get 0, 0 minus 28 plus 1 get 0. This value is 56, 0 minus 22 plus 14 plus 10, that is plus 22 plus 22 minus 20 get cancel 0 minus 33 minus 7, that value is minus 40 minus 40 plus 40 get 0. So finally 56 plus 0 is 56. This is adjointment of A into A matrix value. So next we need to have a determinant of A into I. Determinant of A into I. So determinant, substitute A matrix elements are 1, 5, 7, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 0. I is nothing but identity matrix. A matrix is nothing but 3 by 3 matrix. That's why identity matrix also we are taking 3 by 3 matrix. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay? So how to find the determinant of matrix 3 by 3? Top becomes plus 2, minus 2, plus. Now first element we can take consider plus element is 1 present in the first row, first columns are eliminated, write as rest of the element of the determinant. So 1 you are taking 1 present in the first row, first columns are eliminated, write as determinant of the left of the elements. What is the left of the elements here? 3, 0, 1, 0. So cross multiply 3 into 0, 0 minus 1 into 0, 0. Next symbol is minus, element is 5. Now 5 present in the first row, second columns are eliminated, cross product left of the elements. 2 into 0, 0 minus 2 into 0, 0. Next plus 7 present in the first row, second columns are eliminated. So write as cross product left of the elements. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus or minus? Plus 6. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So now this value is 0, this value is 0, this value is 6 plus 8. 8 plus another value is 56 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is equal to 56 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 because of 0 plus 56 only 56. That's why we are writing 56 into identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now each element product with 56. So 1 into 56, 56, 56 into 0, 0, 56 into 0, 0, 56 into 0, 56 into 1 is 56, 56 into 0, 0, 56 into 0, 0, 56 into 0, 0, 56 into 1 is 56. Observe here A into adjointment of A matrix and adjointment of A into A matrix and is equal to determinant of A into I. So all the matrices are equal. So the given matrix satisfies the given equation. Right? Conclusion: A into adjointment of A is equal to adjointment of A into A is equal to determinant of I. So all the conditions satisfies for the given matrix. First we need to calculate adjointment of A. How to find the adjointment of A is transpose of the matrix capital Aij. Transpose of the matrix capital Aij. Aij is nothing but cofactor of the element Mij. So Aij is nothing but minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into Mij. This is the formula for cofactor of the element small Aij. First we are write the transpose of the matrix capital Aij. Capital Aij is nothing but minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into Mij. Mij is nothing but minor of the element. So minor of the element is nothing but deleting ith row and jth columns, then the remaining elements determinant it is called a minor. That's why when you are taking that particular row, the particular column are eliminated, write as left of the elements, determine that it is called a minor. First we are writing minor elements. After that put the symbol. When you put the symbol, that it is called a 4 factor of the elements small a I j. Now when the determinant of 2 by 2 minus condition is there, we should apply cross multiplication method. AD minus BC form. We get adjournment of A matrix. After that we need to calculate A into adjournment of A. After that we need to calculate adjournment of A into A. Finally we need to calculate determinant of A into I. After that verify all the conditions are equal or not. So in this question all the conditions are equal. That's why finally we are writing conclusion is A into adjournment of A is equal to adjournment of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. This is the solution for this question. It is very simple. First we need to calculate adjournment of A. After that product this similar with this all the condition. Finally we should write the conclusion. All are equal or not. So next two questions I will give you. The two questions are over. See the question number 5 and question number 6. The two questions are over, dear friends. Once everyone should try those two questions. See the question number 5. Those two questions also same process only. See the Roman number 5. These two questions are over only. So everyone you can try these two questions. Question number 5. Question number 5. The matrix is 1, 2, 3, 2, minus 3, 1. Next 3, 1, minus 2. This is fifth question. Next sixth question is first row all the elements are 1, 1, 1. Second row is 3, 4, 7. Third row is 1, minus 1, 1. These two questions also same thing only. First we need to calculate adjournment of A. After that we can find the A into adjournment of A matrix. Next we need to adjournment of A into A matrix. Next determinant of A into I matrix. So whenever all the conditions are equal, you should write conclusion. All the conditions are equal. So you can write as A into adjournment of A is equal to adjournment of A into A is equal to determinant of A into X. Suppose these conditions are not satisfied, we can write as conclusion that adjournment of A into adjournment of A not equal to adjournment of A into A not equal to determinant of A into I. When these two conditions are not equal, you should write as not equal. These two conditions are not equal, you should write as not equal symbol. This is the process of this question. So tomorrow we are discussing about Roman question number 3. Today we are discussing question number 2, question Roman number 4, and Roman number 5, Roman number 6 are Roman question. Tomorrow we are discussing about third question. Okay. So everyone should practice those two questions, and also these two questions are homework for the today class. Okay. Thank you all.